इमामत के अंदर we have three important topics to cover. First is Hazrat Hassan, then we have Hazrat Hussain, और हमने फिर बैटल ऑफ करबला को स्टडी करना. First son of Ali and Fatima was Hazrat Hassan ibn Ali. Prophet named him Hassan, meaning the beautiful one, and he would sit on the Prophet's lap because Prophet used to love both of his grandson, Hazrat Hassan as well, and Hazrat Hussain ibn Ali as well. He was 8 years old when the Prophet had passed away and served all four caliphs faithfully. Became a caliph for a year after his father, but stepped down from caliph for Amir Muawiyah. He spent rest of his life as a scholar, or 50 after Hijrat he was buried at Medina. Hussein was the second son of Ali and Fatima, and Prophet named him Hussein, the small beautiful one, Chota Bhai. He also sat on the Prophet's lap with Hassan as a child और खेला करते थे Prophet के साथ. ये 7 साल के थे, 1 year smaller than Hazrat Hassan after the demise of Holy Prophet. और उन्होंने भी चारों कैलिफ के साथ faithfully उनको सर्व किया. He also spent most of his life as a scholar and was against Caliphate of Yazid bin Muawiyah, उसके खिलाफ थे. He was martyred with his family at Karbala in 60 after Hijrat. अब ये Battle of Karbala था क्या? Hazrat Hussain was loyal to Hazrat Ali. He was unhappy when his brothers stepped down and he refused to accept the Umayyad Caliphate. After Yazid took over, Hazrat Hussain was invited to Kufa by his supporters and they called him to pledge allegiance to him. अब उन्होंने ये विश किया था टू राइज अगेंस्ट द उमैयद कैलिफेट. ये भी कैलिफेट होता था, एक तरफ हैशमाइट्स होते थे जो भी हमने सारे पढ़े, ठीक है, मक्का वाले, और एक तरफ होते थे उमैयद्स. इमाम हुसैन ने अपना कजन भेजा मुस्लिम बिन अकिल टू सर्व एट कुफा एज अ गवर्नर एज वेल. अब मुस्लिम्स ने देखा कि पीपल ऑफ कुफा वर सपोर्ट ऑफ हुसैन. Muslim bin Akil was sent a letter to tell Imam Hussain to come to Kufa. However, right after the letter was sent, the governor of Kufa captured and killed him. Now, strict measures were taken against the supporters of Imam Hussain. Seeing the letter, Imam Hussain set off to Kufa with his family. यजीद आर्मी ने इनको रास्ते में इंटरसेप्ट कर लिया एंड रीडायरेक्टेड देम टू करबला, जहां पे बैटल ऑफ करबला हुआ था ऑन 2 मुहर्रम. 5 दिन बाद जब बैटल चल रहा था, उनकी वाटर सप्लाई कट हो गई थी, जहां पे सारे मुस्लिम्स और हुसैन के फॉलोअर्स बैठे हुए थे. Imam Hussain and his family suffered from hunger and thirst for many weeks and they tried to negotiate but all attempts failed. 10th of Muharram में ये battle took place on the Karbala and Imam Hussein's small number of supporters against the thousands of Umayyad Yazid's army बहुत unfair भी था. It started off with minor skirmishes and the followers of Hussein fought one by one but were all martyred. The camp was even set on fire. Only women, children and Hazrat Hussein's ill eldest son Ali remained. इमाम हुसैन ने अकेले लड़ाई लड़ी बट एट वन टाइम ही वाज सराउंडेड बाय एन आर्मी ऑफ यजीद, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा थे. बहुत बहादुरी से, ब्रेवरी के साथ ही फॉट ऑल ऑफ देम. द वुमेन, चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑल ऑफ देम वर आल्सो टेकन कैप्टिव. उनको एज अ प्रिजनर्स रख लिया था. एंड द ग्रैंडसन ऑफ द प्रॉफिट वाज ब्रूटली मार्टर्ड. He stood against the rule of injustice and he is held in high regard by all Muslims, especially Shia sectarian divisions as well. और इसलिए आपके सामने वो मुहर्रम पूरा किया जाता है. एंड दैट वाज ऑल फॉर इमामत. इसको एक दफ़ा आप लोगों ने बुक से ही पढ़ना है और इसके मैं सेपरेट नोट्स भेजूंगा फॉर द फर्स्ट इस्लामिक कम्युनिटी, जिसके अंदर 15 पर्सनैलिटीज, 10 ब्लेस्ड कंपेनियंस, इमाम हुसैन, इमाम हसन और मदर्स ऑफ फेथफुल के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे.